The battle between Russia and Ukraine has been running for 3 months and has not found a bright spot. Russia's special military operations into its neighboring country are pushing unmanned systems, drones, at the forefront of combat. That said, the war going on right now is the biggest one where the military uses an unmanned system. Previously, drones were considered to be slow and not capable enough to give a military victory over its capabilities. But this time, it's a different story. For example, the Turkish-made Bayraktar Tb2 drone that managed to destroy Russian tanks and ships. Even Tb2 also helped sink one of Russia's most iconic warships, the Moskva, reported The Guardian. Although Russia has more than 10 years of experience operating a drone, it has proved inefficient in its battles with Ukraine. While on the Ukrainian side, their military managed to operate the drones as best they could, even repelling Russian attacks on several occasions. It will be difficult for Russia to outperform NATO-made radios and sensors on drones used by Ukraine. The drones used by Ukraine are known to be vulnerable to electronic anti-drone systems. Basically, Ukraine can win the drone war because their platform embraces newer technology. That's not to say Russian drones don't have resistance to electronic attacks. They do. They have honed such tactics and operations in Syria as well as in Ukraine. Russia uses its drones to detect radio signals from enemies, listen to opponents, or find their location to fire on. But due to a lack of sophistication, Russia has adjusted its electronic warfare power over the past 20 years. But their technology was largely ineffective. The Russian military was even forced to shoot down a Ukrainian drone using a much more expensive missile.